Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where we are going to talk about a strategy in Bitcoin. Last 2 weeks, I think last week I came out with some other topic. The previous 2 weeks, I came out with one strategy each week. So first let us do recap of what we have done. The first strategy, maybe I can show you in the computer. The first strategy we have done was a short straddle. That was a 91,000 call and 91,000 put. Now look, because of time value, the Bitcoin has not gone anywhere. The 91,000 put is giving $301 profit and 91,000 call is giving about $74 profit. Put together, the profit is around $375. A $375 profit, I think at that time I showed you the margin was only about $250. $250 margin, a $375 profit, that's a more than 100% return. And of course, in the YouTube, we cannot give the title like 100% profit. Now, YouTube has a policy that, if you show, unreasonable profit, they will just automatically remove your YouTube videos. Okay, so anyway, so this is one of the fantastic trade, but of course, it came with some risk because in between, the Bitcoin fell about 10,000 points. So we were scared a little bit. And of course, we have a plan B, what to do when things go wrong, but still our lower break-even was not broken. So what we did, the next week, we have taken another strategy to complement this strategy. That means if market continue to fall, what to do? So we came out with a strategy called a put ratio with a call selling. In that second strategy, what we did, we buy 90,000 put and we sold double the quantity, 80,000 put, and then we also sold 1,25,000 call. But here you see the buy and sell, it's almost only $4 only profit, and sell call giving about $30 profit. So the total $34 profit. But again, I think the margin money for this would have been only $250 to $300. Even making $34 is a more than 10% profit in a matter of 2 weeks. I think this one was done 2 weeks before. The 91,000 straddle was done 3 weeks before. Now, I'm planning to close this straddle because the profit is too good. When you have more than 100% profit, why to complain? Okay. I don't think that, getting 100% profit is so easy in equity market. Because in Bitcoin, the volatility is so high, the IV is always very high, and that's why this kind of things possible. But at the same time, remember, you just cannot put millions of dollars in this kind of strategies. Right? Maybe 5%, 10% of your portfolio, you can just try this and then keep making $100, $200 profit for a pocket money, we can say. So that is how I trade, but in our main account, we trade with larger quantities, but that is not in Indian market. Okay, now coming back to today's strategy. Number one, I'm planning to close this strategy, but right now I'm not closing on the live because I have to do shoot the video in Tamil also. So now I'm going to discuss another strategy. Number one, for the last 1 month or so, Bitcoin is trading between around 80,000 to 92,000. And it has been hovering in this range. Now it is actually trading at the upper end of the trading range. Now remember, this $1 lakh is a psychologically a resistance. So reaching that may be slightly difficult, but of course we cannot say anything about this market, But once it reaches, it can move higher. So I'm coming out with a strategy called call butterfly. So how to set up a call butterfly, I'll tell you. The first leg of the call butterfly should be a buy one. Here what I'm doing, I'm buying $1 lakh call option. So that is buy. Let us say one lot. Then 1,05,000, 1,10,000, 1,15,000. All the three sell. But see, double the quantity. So like one quantity, you buy $1 lakh. 1,05,000, 1,10,000, 1,15,000, sell double the quantity. So that means, you have one quantity buy, 6 quantities sell. Right? But who knows, suddenly market, of course, the maximum it has gone is only $1,25,000. But who knows, it can go to $2 lakh also. Bitcoin is always like that. So we need to have a hedge. So I decided to buy $1,25,000 call option for the hedging. So that is 5 times. So that number of buy and number of sell will be the same. So in a call butterfly, the first leg is buy, second or third, sell. The final one should be buy, so that number of buy, number of sell must be exactly the same, so that your risk is limited. But I wanted to buy $1,26,000, but the thing is, in another strategy, I'm already having a $1,25,000 sold. So if I buy, then it will get square off. So because of that, I'm changing to $1,26,000. Okay. So now to execute the whole thing, the margin required is only about $360. Okay. Everything I'm just putting at a market price only. So let me execute the trade first, or let us check the payoff chart. So if you look at the payoff chart, okay, you can see the profit is flat up to 1 lakh. Beyond 1 lakh, profit increases, and beyond 1,05,000, the profit will start decreasing. All right. So, once it crosses 1,10,000, also there's a profit only. Once it goes beyond 11,000 something, then the loss starts. But the loss is limited to, but this is a big loss. Okay. So although loss is limited, but still this is big. Okay. About $6,700. That's a maximum loss. So this is about the P&L chart. So P&L table, total projected P&L is this one. Oh, current P&L. Okay, we have not executed. So already it is giving some profit. Okay, we click back. Yeah, so we have come here. Okay, so order margin around $373. So we are buying $1 lakh call option, selling 1,05,000, 1,10,000, 1,15,000. So the reason I'm doing this, I'm expecting market to be, range bound. I'm not expecting to go beyond 1 lakh. If it goes there up to $1,11,000, I have no issue. So because these are all like small quantity, I can just place a market order. Although February contract is open, but it has been opened recently, because of that there may be no liquidity. I'm still choosing the January one. So I place the order. Okay, so all the order got executed. Okay, so here you can see all the orders got executed. Okay, so like it's getting too much confusing. Immediately after execution, you will see some losses only. That's because we execute at the market order. Coming back to the screen. Okay, so I'm going to teach you various strategies depending on the market conditions. The first week I taught a straddle. The second week I taught put ratio with one call selling. And this time I've done call butterfly. Right. So now, the last 1 month, 1.5 months, it is trading at the upper end of the trading range. Therefore, I'm doing a call ratio, a call butterfly. And in case market falls, maybe if it is going to 80,000 once again, I might consider doing a put butterfly. So when you think that the market is trading at the upper end of the trading range, so you do call butterfly. When you think that it is trading at the lower end of the trading range, you do a put butterfly. And when you are neutral, when you are not expecting the market to go up or down, so a neutral view, you can do a double butterfly. So maybe one by one, every time I will show you with example. So this time, so this is the strategy. The strategy name is call butterfly. Okay. Now coming back to some important points. Delta Exchange India, they've slashed the brokerage cost even further. Earlier, they used to charge 0.03%. That's a 30 basis point. And, once they launched Indian operations, so they reduced the transaction fee by half to 0.015. That means a 15 basis point. Now, they have further reduced to 0.1%. So that means, is a 10 basis point. So which means that, over a period of time, so their brokerage cost has come down by 1/3. But sometimes, the people who buy options for a small prices are selling option for small prices, okay, paying percentage, it doesn't make sense. So in that case, they used to charge 10% of the premium as a brokerage, and later they change it to 5% of the premium, and now they again further reduce to 3.5% of the premium. So let us say you sell an option, either you pay a 10 basis point or a 3.5% of the premium, whichever is lower. I think in the last video I made a mistake. I said whichever is higher. So it is not whichever is higher, it's whichever is lower. So if you are interested in opening an account in Delta Exchange India, you can see the link in the description. You can click and open an account. And just for information, for those people who watch this video new, this Delta.Exchange India, so is registered in India. It's purely for Indians. Buyer, seller, everyone comes from India, and all of them pay money only in Indian currency. The profit or loss also calculated in Indian currency only. Right? Just for the purpose of showing the margin money, because the bitcoins are always traded in US dollar, they convert that into US dollar, they show the equivalent US dollar. Otherwise, your money is not converted. So everything stay in India, and then trading in Delta.Exchange is perfectly legal, and it's futures and options. Just like trading in NSE and BSE, futures and options. So it is considered as a business income. So here also it is considered as a business income. So there is no, if you trade in cryptos and spot market, there's a flat 30% tax. But here there is no flat 30% tax. Here it is, it considered as a business income. So with this, the third video is out. So let us see how this trade is going to go. The first trade has given excellent profit. Second trade was a complementary trade. So though it has not given good profit, but it made sure that our first strategy has given good profit. Now I'm coming out with the third strategy, but the first strategy, I will be closing it. So at one point of time, not a good idea to run too many strategies. So wait for some workshop announcement in cryptos where I'll teach more and more strategies like this. And then, you can, hopefully can make some good money. But again, as I told you, you can't put your entire life savings into this kind of trade, because cryptos are, highly volatile, and, but that is where we get a good opportunity to make money. But because the risk is very high, we deploy some small amount. So that is the lesson. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.